There's more to Netherlands than just Amsterdam. There are a lot of small cities here which are worth checking out. And today we are in Delft. Let's have a look. Today is the second day of Christmas, December 26th. The city is not fully open, but nevertheless, you can feel the charm of this place. It's less crowded though, but it's really beautiful. This shop is shut, but there's a guard here, a cute little guard. Oh, this is beautiful. Now we are at the Market Square, which is one of the main squares of Delft. And in front of me is a new church. I think it's called as Nieuwe Kerk in Dutch. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of restaurants and shops are shut today, but it's beautiful. That's a cheese store. A few stores are open, but nevertheless, I can see a few tourists here, and the cityscape is really nice. And this structure here is the famous City Hall. And it's beautiful. It's a delightful cheese store, which is nothing new for Netherlands. And they have these samples for tasting. And this is a cute little store which is selling the Delft pottery. It's called as Delft ware. It's hand painted, also the Delft Blue. The architecture is really beautiful. This is a famous shop called as Royal Delft. You can't help but admire the craftsmanship. Hi. This picturesque narrow alley is called as the Wall de Grache. A few Hollywood films have been shot here. I cannot remember the name of the film. Walking in Delft is like reading a picture book, like a story book. You keep moving one page after the other, and there are delightful sights in the offering. If you're in a city like Delft, I think anyone can become a photographer. This is the beautiful new church, but it is shut today. I'm not sure if Delft is a city or it's a time machine, because it really takes you back in time. It looks very picturesque. It seems like the time stops here. I'm having a morning coffee at the Blue House Brew. Delft, despite being empty, has been very charming. This is a beautiful square here, and they've got so many cafes. Some of them are open and the rest of them are shut due to the holiday. This canal ring city has a lot of shopping options as well. These narrow alleys contain a lot of shopping. Yeah, this wonderful square is known as the South Port, and it offers some shopping options. The square at the Beestenmarkt has got some nicest cafes, great terraces. Despite being a small city, Delft is still high on charms. Actually, Delft was one of the very important cities in the Golden Dutch era. This city is considered to be the birthplace of microbiology. Now we're heading towards the Turf Market. We are at the Turf Mart, which used to be a place where the horses were traded, and now it's a bustling market street. We are at the Vermeer Center. Johannes Vermeer was born in Delft, the famous painter. Delft turns even more charming when it's dark. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'm still in Europe and will be making some more content. Stick on for more and press the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you once again.